Quantum has sparked global imagination, but most events remain theoretical. This is different. This is real. The World Quantum Summit is the first to showcase quantum solutions already reshaping industries today, not in theory, but in action. This event is not dominated by a single domain or approach, but instead brings together a broad spectrum of quantum computing implementations, such as superconducting circuits, ionics, and photonics, showcasing the diverse technological pathways shaping the future of quantum development. Singapore is where deep tech meets deployment, linking capital research and global collaboration at the frontier of innovation, while serving as a strategic hub bridging East and West. From logistics to healthcare, from finance to energy, quantum is live, operational, and transforming mission-critical systems today. At the World Quantum Summit, go beyond theory. Touch the tech, build the stack, get certified, and connect with the leaders building quantum's tomorrow at the World Quantum Summit. Quantum is real. Quantum is ready. Be there at the World Quantum Summit 2025.